Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a first time here at Hollyoak Elementary in San Jose, California. And just a beautiful day getting to talk to all the grades, TK through 6th, about a very important theme, which is bullying, looking at the heart first, right? You can see that main topic and the sub-theme there on the screen. And the whole premise of this, right, the whole focus is to really not just talk about bullying, but take it to a deeper level and really start to understand that we have to look at the heart first when it comes to choosing respect and choosing to see others for who they truly are, right? That some people may be born different than us. They may walk different, talk different, think different, learn different, have different skin color, wear different clothes, eat different foods, have been born in a whole different country, right? Whatever that difference might be, that we can look past that and really see someone for their heart before anything else. And our heart, like we talked about too, is as big as our fist. But if we are able to let love, peace, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign. And the reason that it's two is because one finger is ourselves, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with kindness. But it's also two because in just 2 seconds, one heartbeat, one breath, one action, 2 seconds, what we say or do can positively or negatively affect someone for the rest of their life. And it's so important, and what I love seeing at this school, we're here in the multi-purpose room right now where we did the presentations, but everywhere on the wall where you walk around the entire campus, it's saying be respectful, be responsible, be safe, right? They even have the banners behind me here all the way down saying the same thing. And it's so true that this ties in perfectly to what we spoke about today, that we have to respect everyone, right? And that includes ourselves, and we have to be responsible citizens and human beings, and really it's our job to show kindness. We talked about the quote from Mahatma Gandhi, to be the change you want to see in the world, but that you must be the change. That it's up to us to show that kindness, to really push it, and it's our responsibility to make a safe environment, right? So the no bully zone here in the cafeteria, and just having that idea that we need to be able to stand up for others with no voice or a small voice, get help if we need it, be able to have a heart-to-heart with someone, and really try to understand that we can turn any hurt or pain that we're experiencing into healing, right? We said hurt people, but healed people, heal people. Both are choices, and both are us hopefully choosing to turn any pain that we've experienced or will experience or are currently experiencing into greatness. We have that opportunity and we have that choice. And the world needs us, the world needs you for sure. And it needs to also know that we're all beautiful miracles. Like my shirt says, and what we cover in every assembly that I offer is the idea that with the lines in each of our hands, every one of us has at least one M with the lines in our hand, right? I trace one of mine here with washable marker. This M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy. That we are beautiful miracles worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And it's up to us to go and do that. Thanks again for touching my heart. Keep sharing your hearts. Keep shining your light, showing that kindness, choosing love, being the change, and have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you all again in the near future. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Check out the other playlists that you'll see on the screen too, some amazing motivational clips. And feel free to visit my website through the other URL link where you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America one school at a time. Peace.